Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a temporary mail or how to make a fake email. So this is so simple. You have to go to uh, open a new browser and write here temp mail. Now you'll find here this temp mail. Click on the first link. Then you'll find here many temporary mails which will be automatically generated for you. So you have to hold on. It is loading. You can see this temp mail. You can just use it, copy, and you can use it anywhere like this. I'm using it a website, hypothesis website. Click on this and now click on login. Now you have to sign up. Use your username here. Put here that Gmail what you have copied from there, this Gmail, and put here any password. Choose these guidelines and click on sign up. Okay, this mail has been already, this username is already taken, so you have to click on this and make this password like this. Okay, 8 character. Click on sign up and you can see that account registration has been successful. That's mean your temp mail or your what you have, uh, this fake mail is already working here. Okay, so this is how you can do this. This is how you can open a temp mail. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.